knowledge areas, 30 tasks, 50 techniques and 10 stakeholders. I'm sure these numbers are driving you crazy if you're preparing for your IIBA CBAP exam. Don't worry, we have just the course for you here. This course will help you grasp a hold of all these numbers and help you interrelate all these together for your exam preparation. I'm sure IIB exams preparation was never easier. This course, along with the file that is provided in this course, will significantly reduce your time and effort for the exam preparation. You can focus on more study rather than forming techniques or trying to memorize all these numbers. Hi, I am Mohammad Tariq bin Manan and I have designed this course while I was preparing for my CBAP. I'm an engineer turned business analyst and project manager with industry experience in telecom, banking and insurance. I have delivered projects in many complex situations in IT, software development, telecommunication, network modernization, digital transformation, HR transformation projects. I am a certified project management professional, TMP, a certified business analyst professional, CBAP. Upon completion of this course, you will be able to easily map all the techniques in the PABOK with corresponding tasks and corresponding knowledge areas. You will also have a clear understanding and a visual map of how each input is mapped with a task and what are the output from a task is generated. You'll have a complete graphical view of this, and this course will make your life lot easy if you are preparing for any of the IIBA exams like CCBA, ECBA or CBAP. Wish you all the best. Hope you enjoy the course. Thank you so much.